Okay. If you are confused, I posted a video about how to do this, but you're all pros at making pages on your website. You did this for the elements of art. So this is just a refresher, it's a review. So if you're multitasking, please stop and let's pay attention real quick, and I'm gonna let you go fast, okay? So everyone did 10.1, 10.2 today is updating your website for our projects that are coming up. The first thing you want to do is create a new page on your site. Then you're going to create a title that says pop art. So we're creating a page that a separate page that's for pop art, a project page, and we're going to just get it ready for populating it with the projects that we're about to do. Okay, so here's my website. So if you remember, actually, who can walk me through how to create a separate page? What's the first step I need to do? What's the first step? I want to create, see how I created a elements of art page? Now I want to do that to this one, and I want it to say pop art. I don't want to create the icon yet. I'm actually just wanting to create the website. So what do I do? How do I create a page? Nobody remembers? Good thing we're going over it. What's the first step? Nobody remembers. Okay, I'm gonna refresh your, oh, Anro.
Okay, first you go to pages.
Oh, great. So you go to pages right over here. See that?
Yeah,
Now what do I do?
on work.
Yeah, click down here where it says work. And I'm going to delete that. Okay, now what?
You could just, there's a plus button there.
Down here?
I think so. Yeah,
you can do that, but actually what we want to do, and I'm glad you brought that up, we actually want to make it easier on yourself. What you want to do is you want to click the three dots and duplicate the elements of art page. Don't duplicate the independent art page. Duplicate the elements of art page. Boom. Brings it up. Type in what?
Pop art. Pop art. Yeah.
And there we go. So I've got my elements of art page populated. Now it looks kind of like this. So I want to delete these images, remember.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put in new ones later. So I deleted them. Now the top, I'm going to change it.
How do we make a page again?
Oh, who can walk us through? Theo?
So basically, you go to pages and then you click on your elements of art page, and then click on the dot, and then it should duplicate page.
Duplicate page, and then here.
And then you rename it.
And then you rename it. Yep.
Or you could plus button at the bottom.
Well, let's see what happens when we click
that create.
If you click the plus button, look what happens. There's nothing here. So you have to build it from scratch. If you duplicate it, you're going to save yourself some time. So we duplicated it and it looks like this. I just deleted all those pictures, and yours will look different, right? It'll you're going to have to delete all your elements of art projects. Now, Theo, yeah, you have a question.
What is the pop art paragraph that the assignment tells us to do?
Great. So the first step before we get to there, we want to write the title, pop art. Okay, now that paragraph that you wrote yesterday or the other day, right? 10.1. You're going to copy and paste your paragraph from 10.1. So if this was me, right, copy it, paste it here. And then, you want to make sure that you have to get rid of the formatting, because it's going to appear like this. So if you select it all and click this button right here, clear formatting, it'll do that. And then, but you have to mess with the text a little bit probably. Okay, there's one more thing that we need to do, and I saw Michael's hand. What's up, Michael? Let's actually make this center.
Unraise my hand, sorry.
Okay. So I've got that. Now, what I want to do is I want to create categories. So 3 categories, and I'm going to create the text. Let me show you how I did that. Double click below. Click on text. Click on title. Now I'm going to do 3 titles. Who can, you don't know yet, but you're going to do, actually, maybe it says in the assignment. Yeah, close up, Candy close up. Who's got it open? Anybody else want to read the next 2? Warhol inspired art, but I want to remember title, Warhol. And I'm going to butcher his name, Lichtenstein. I think I got it. So, oops, where'd it go? Try again. Make sure it's title. And there you go. Now you got your 3 categories. And when you turn in your projects in the next 3 weeks, you can just double click it and, or actually go up to themes, sorry, insert. And then you can insert these, or you can double click to add an image. So there's multiple ways of doing this. There's no right or wrong answer, but you definitely will need to populate these later on. But this is all you need today. And then what you can do also, and I didn't put this in the assignment, I'm gonna have to, but if you go to your, where is it? Where's our icons? Does anybody remember where we put those? Oh, here it is. Your icons, you can make a new icon, right? And remember that you need to make it a JPEG. So these are all Google drawings. Yeah. So I'm going to change this and I'm going to make it say pop art. I'm going to make it in the center. And then I'm going to download it as a JPEG. And then I'm going to upload it again.
Wait, do we do this right now?
I'm showing you first, so you will be doing it in a second. And then once I've got that going, now I can go back to my website. And then I'm going to go to this icon. Replace image. There it is. Double click and there you go. Now I'm not done yet. What's the next step? What's the last step in this process? What's the last step in this process? Anro.
You gotta link it.
You gotta link it. So if I click it twice, 1, 2, click on the link button and link it to pop art. I can do the same down here, which is the text. Boom. And there, now I can publish it. Once I've published it, I can go view published site, grab my text, grab my site name, copy and paste it into the assignment, and I am done. All right, so that is how you do today's assignment. What I've done is I've recorded it so I can try to upload this to YouTube and post that video in case you need a refresher, okay? So does anybody have any questions? Okay, so you know what you're doing. I'm going to add that part about changing your icon if I haven't already. And then you can go. Okay, so while I do that, yeah, if you want to stick around and ask me questions, feel free to. Otherwise, you are free to go and complete this by the end of class. You have 45 minutes to do it. Sorry, you have 30 minutes to do it. I believe in you. I know you can do this. You've done it before. I will post this video so you can watch it again if you need to. Okay. Sayonara. And have a happy Halloween. Wait, is everybody dressing up or no? No.
I
Okay.
don't know.
Take pictures if you are. That'd be fun to see. I'll see you all
Also, it's
later.
Bob Ross's birthday.
Yeah! Happy birthday, Bob Ross.
Yay.
Uh,
See ya.